Lucy. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Logan.
Come
Oh, I guess he needs some carrion.
Some carrigan. What do you see? Mary? Logie?
A highway pet.
Let me see.
What is it,
Look at Mama.
Got an own highway pet.
What do you see, Log? Hannah, let me see.
I got the highway pet.
Show it to Mama. What'd you find, Logie? Dumbo?
I like my highway pet.
Yeah. What else did you get?
An umbrella.
Oh, that's for Lucy, Log. Logie, give that to Lucy. He's like, dog toys.
It's for Lucy.
Ooh.
Ooh. 7 years of bad luck.
My own umbrella. Ooh.
What is that?
Maria's bow arrow thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is
Do,
that?
do
Oh,
I?
that's for Sissy.
Oh,
Hold on. Hold on.
my sleigh. My sleigh. And
Your
I
sleigh.
got a purse. And it's all
Oh, that's not a purse,
What
Hanny.
is that?
Hanny, that's not a purse. Open it up.
okay. Ooh.
It's a leap pad.
It's a late pack.
It's like what you were playing at Ellie's last night, huh?
Yeah.
And it's
And look, you got
Barbie.
an Olivia game with it too.
Yeah. Okay, what else Logan got?
Logie, what's this?
Oh,
Okay.
Logie's going right for the leap pad.
Logan.
Okay, can I open this?
Logie.
Not yet. Hold on.
What's this?
Daddy. What's this too, Logan?
Look at that, Log. Oh, trucks. Awesome.
Daddy, can you open them for me, Daddy? Can somebody open
Yeah. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas?
Logie, say Merry Christmas. Logie. Logan.
Excuse
Merry
me,
Christmas.
Daddy.
Oh, Lucy wants to say it too.
Merry Christmas, Lucy.